could finally see you. Okay, so how are you today, Ryan?
I'm ready, teacher.
Oh, you're ready. Also, are you good today?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so have you already eaten dinner?
No.
Oh, not yet. Aren't you hungry right now? No?
No.
No, that's very good. Okay, so last time, Ryan, we discussed about what did we discuss yesterday? It's about introducing yourself, right?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay, so what will you say if teacher asks you, Ryan, so what's your name? What will you say?
My name is Ryan.
Ryan, very good. So that's the correct way of answering the question, what's your name? Very good. So we discussed about introducing yourself. Very good. So for today, Ryan, we're going to have a new topic. And are you ready for that?
I'm ready, teacher.
Okay, very good. So now let's proceed with our lesson for today. Okay, so here. Okay, so could you see this now?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. So for today, we are going to talk about transportation. Okay, so when we say transportation, it means the vehicles where we ride so that we could go anywhere. Like for this, for pictures. Okay, let's have the first picture. What's the
Bus.
first? Transportation. Very good. So this one is a bus. Okay, so have you been in a bus before?
Yes.
Oh, yes, really? So is it fun, right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, how about the second picture? What's this transportation?
Car.
Okay, so it's truck.
Truck.
Truck, very good. So this one is a truck. And do you know what does a truck carry? What's
Yes.
a truck vehicle? Okay, so trucks are usually the vehicles for heavy objects or heavy things. This is used for transporting products from different places. So that one is truck.
Truck.
Truck, very good. Okay, how about number three? What's that transportation?
Train. Train.
Train, very good. So this one is a train. And have you been in a train before?
Yes.
Oh, yes, really? So what's more fun? Is it train or a bus?
Train.
A train. Okay, very good. So this one is a train. Also, is this long or a short train?
Go on.
Long. Very good. So trains are a long vehicles or transportation. Very good. For the last picture, we have
Boat.
boat. Very good. So this one is a boat. Okay, so have you been into a boat?
Yes.
Oh, really? You have been into a boat before?
Yes.
Yes, wow, very good. Okay, so this one is a boat. This is a transportation for water or for sea. Okay, very good. So these are the four transportations that we are going to discuss today. Okay, so before we proceed with this activity, let's now have this one first, and teacher will discuss you this one. Okay, so let's have this one. Mhm. Okay, so here, could you see this now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so for today, we are going to talk about demonstratives as well. Okay, so these are the words that we call demonstratives. Okay, let's read the first one. It's
This.
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 Okay, very good. So this one, the first one is this. How about the second one? What's this?
That.
That. Very good. The third one? These.
Truck. Eh,
Okay, so the third one is these. Say it with
This.
teacher. These with the sound of Z.
This.
These, very good. So this and these are different pronunciations, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so this one is these.
This.
Very good. And for the last one, we have those.
Those.
Those, very good. So what are the four demonstratives again? Let's read this four. What's the first one? We have
This, that,
these,
that,
the,
these,
these, and last one,
that,
those.
those.
Those, very good. So these are the four demonstratives that we're going to discuss today as well. Okay, for that we have singular, plural, near, and far. So when we say singular, it means one thing only. So it means only one object, one person, one place, but it is only one, okay? So when we say singular, how many is it?
One,
It's one. For plural, we have many. So it could be two, it could be three, it could be four, and many more. But it is not one. It is more than one. So when we say plural, is it one or more than one?
one,
Plural, is it one or more than one?
for the one.
More than one. Very good. So plural means many, okay?
Yes,
Okay, so let's read the demonstratives in singular. Okay, so we have, what's the first one? In singular, these.
this,
These. And the second one, we have
that,
that. Very good. So these and that are singular demonstratives. So it means you will use this if it is only one object or one subject, okay? One subject.
one subject.
Very good. These and that.
That,
Okay, so let's have plural. What are the demonstratives in plural? Let's
plural.
read this one. Let's read this. What's the first one in plural?
Those,
These. Very good. And the second one, we have
those.
those. Very good. So these and those are used when you are talking in more than one object. Okay, it's more than one.
Okay.
Okay, so for example, let's have let's have two shirts. So we could use the word these and those, okay? So it's plural.
Plural.
Yes, very good. Okay, let's have near. Okay, so for this one, what are the demonstratives in near? Okay, so let's read this. These.
This,
And the second one, we have
these.
these. Very good. So near means near you. Okay, so do you know what it means by near?
Yes,
Near. Okay, very good. How about far? Do you know what it means by far?
that, four.
Far. Okay, very good. So far we have that and those. So these are the demonstratives in far. Very good. So let's have singular again. Okay, what's the demonstratives in singular? We have
This, that.
these, that. How about plural?
This, those.
These, those. Very good. How about far?
This, those. This, those. This,
Far. That, it's that.
that,
Those.
that, those.
That, those. Very good. And near we have
This, those.
and
These.
these. Very good. That's correct, Ryan. So I hope you learned from that. So now we are going to continue our activity. So are you ready?
I'm ready, teacher.
Okay, very good. So let's go back with our activity. Now let's have this one. Okay, so could you see this now?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So let's read the the questions first. Okay, so what's this? Let's
What's
have the first.
this?
Okay, what's this? And the second one, what's that?
What's that?
What's that? What do we mean by these here? Is it far or is it near?
This.
This is it far or is it near? What do you
Yeah.
think? Far or near? When we say
Four.
this, far? Are you sure? Is it near?
Near.
Near. How about that? Is it far or near? That
Where?
What do you think? Is it far or near?
Four.
Far, very good. That's correct. So when we say this, it's near. And when we say that, it's far. Okay?
That is
Okay, so do you get it now?
good.
Yes. Okay, then let's read the answer. It's an old bus.
It's an old bus.
Very good. So what adjective did we use here? What's the adjective? It's
Old bus.
old. Very good. So we use the adjective old for the answer. And let's read the second one. What are these?
What are
These.
these?
These. And for the second one, what are those?
What are those?
Very good. So when we say these, is it near or far?
From.
These, is it near or far?
What
It,
these?
these is near. Very good. So when we say these, it's plural and near. Okay, when we say those, is it
Those.
far or near?
Near.
Those. When we
Those.
say those,
Those.
it's far.
From.
Far. Okay, so when we say those, it's far. It's plural and far. Okay, so let's read the answer. They're new buses.
The new bus.
Buses, very good. They're new buses. And what's the adjective we used?
New bus.
New. Okay, that's correct. So the adjective used is the word new. So the answer is they're new buses. And that's for our number one and two. Okay, let's recap. Okay, so what's that? Let's have number one. What's
What's
that?
that?
What's the answer? It's an
It's an old bus.
it's an old bus. Very good. Let's have number two. What are those?
What are those?
Okay, then what's the answer?
What are
Those? Okay,
those?
let's read the answer. They're
Their new
new
bus.
buses.
Buses.
Buses, very good. So let's have number three. What's this?
What's this?
Okay, so what's this? What's the answer? It's
It's all.
what's the
It's
adjective? Is it
all.
small or big?
It's more. Oh, truck.
Small truck. Very good. So it's a small truck. So number three is a small truck. How about number four? What are those?
This is long bus. Long truck.
Is it big or small?
Big.
Big. So the answer is they're big trucks. Say it with
There.
teacher.
There big trucks.
They're big trucks. Okay, so that's the correct answer. So if it is plural, we are going to answer they are. Okay? There or they are.
There they are.
Very good. If it is plural, okay, more than one. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so when it is just one, we are going to answer it is.
It is.
It is for one object only. Very good. So let's have the next one. Let's have number five. What's that? Number five, this one here. What's that? Is it long or
It
short?
is on roll train.
Long train. Very good. That's correct. It's a long train.
It's a long train.
Train. Very good. It's a long train. How many long trains could you see?
One, two, three,
Uh-huh.
one.
One, very good. So one long train. So the answer is it's a long train. How about number six? How many trains could you see in number six?
They two.
Two, very good. So we have two. So is it plural or singular?
Plural.
Plural. Very good. So the answer is they are.
They are.
They are. Okay. And what's the adjective?
They are. They
Short
are
or long?
short train.
Trains. With S or with no S?
F.
With S. Very good. So one more time. They're short trains.
They are short train.
Trains. Very good. So they're short trains. Great job. So that's for our number 6. Now let's have number 7. Okay, what's that? What's number 7? What's that?
This
Uh,
is
how many
uh,
how many boats?
it is it
Is it
is
noisy or is it quiet? What do you think? Noisy or quiet?
noisy.
Noisy, very
Is
good.
noise
Noisy.
boat.
It's a noisy boat. Very good, that's correct. So it's a noisy boat. That's the correct answer for number 7. Very good. And how about number 8? So we have how many boats could you see here?
Two boats.
Two
They
boats.
they
Okay,
are
that's
quiet boat.
very good. That's correct. So they are quiet boats. Very good. So you answered it correctly. So now do you get the difference of
Yes.
plural and singular?
Yes.
Yes, very good. And we also have transportations and adjectives. So do you have any questions with these pictures?
Alright, such as teacher.
Okay, very good. So clap it, teacher, and give teacher a big high five. Very good. So now let's proceed with our next activity. So are you ready now?
I'm the teacher.
Okay, so let's go back with our presentation and let's have this one. Okay, so here we have the same pictures of the transportations and we are going to check what are their demonstratives. Okay, so for example, what's number 1?
Bus.
Bus, very good. How many buses could you see in this picture?
One bus.
In this picture, how
A
many
two
buses?
bus.
2. Let's count. One,
One,
2,
two, three.
three.
Three bus.
3 bus, very good. So is it far or is it near? What
Uh,
do you think? If you see a bus in your hometown, is it far from you or is it near? It's near. So it's near, right?
here. Yes.
Near. So the answer is these.
This.
These because it's more than one and it is near. Very good. So that's an example of our activity for this one. Okay, let's have number 2. What's the transportation for number 2?
That.
Okay, so what transportation is this? Train.
This.
Okay, so this is a train, right? So number 2 is a train. Okay,
Train.
so how many trains could you see in this picture?
Two. Three train.
3 trains. And what are the demonstrative for plural? We have that or those.
Go. That.
For plural,
Oh.
those. Very good. So the answer is, what's the answer? Is it that or those?
Those.
Those. Very good. So train is the correct answer is those. Very good. So that's for our number 3. Okay, so let's also for number 2. Let's have number 3. What transportation is number 3? What's that?
Four.
It's a boat. Very good. Okay, so how many boats could you see in this picture?
Three boat.
3 boats. Okay, so is that singular or plural?
Four.
Plural. Okay, so is that these or is that or those?
That.
That or those?
Those.
Those, very good, because it is more than one boat. So we are going to use those. Very good. Okay, let's have the number 4. We have
Truck.
truck. Very good. Okay, so how many trucks could you see in this picture?
3 trucks.
3 trucks. So is that singular or plural?
Plural.
Plural. Okay, that's correct. It's plural. So this one is a car. Okay, so this one is a car. We only have 2 trucks. Okay, so this number 4 is just a truck. So we have 2 trucks. Okay?
2 trucks.
Okay, we have 2 trucks. Is that singular or plural? 2 trucks.
Plural.
Plural, very good. So what is the demonstrative for that? These or those? These or that?
These.
These, very good, because it is near. We could see trucks near us. So we are going to use the word these. Say it with teacher, these.
These.
These, very good. Okay, let's have the 5th picture. What's the 5th picture? It's a car.
Car.
A car, very good. And that's number 3 in this one. Okay, how many cars could you see in this picture?
1.
1, very good. Is that singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular, very good, because it's just one. Okay, and what we are going to use is that this or that.
These.
This, very good. So the correct answer is this because it is only near us. We could see cars near us. Very good. So we are going to use the demonstrative this. And for the last one, we have what's the transportation
Bike.
for the last one? It's a bike, but in this picture, we couldn't see a bike. Okay, so let's say, for example, you will see a bike. How many bikes do you have? How many bikes do you have? One bike or 2 bikes? Hmm.
2 bikes.
There's no bike in this picture. Let's say it's yours. How many bikes do you have?
1.
One. You have one bike. Do you own one bike?
Yes.
Oh, yes. So is that singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular. Very good. So is that this or that?
This.
These very good because we could see bikes near us. Very good, Ryan. You perfect our activity. Now clap with teacher and give teacher a big high five. Very good. Okay, so do you have any questions with our lesson for today?
I'm ready, teacher.
Do you have do you have any questions?
No any questions, teacher?
And no questions. Very good. So let's recap our demonstratives. Okay, so let's have this one. Oh, here. Okay, so let's recap our demonstratives. Okay, let's have this one. Let's read the 4 demonstratives. We have this,
This.
that,
That.
these,
This.
and those.
Those.
Those, very good. So one more time. These,
This.
that,
That.
these,
This.
those.
Those.
Those, very good. So what are the demonstratives we have in singular?
This. That.
These,
This.
that, very good.
That.
Plural,
Those.
these,
These. Those.
those, very good. Okay, how about near?
These. Those.
These.
This. This.
These, very good. And far, we have
That. That. Those.
that, those, very good. So now, do you know this one? Do you understand this one?
And yes.
Do you understand? Very good. Okay, so do you have any questions with this one?
No any questions, teacher?
Very good, Ryan. So, yay, you perfect our activity and give teacher a big high five. Very good. So, since you don't have any questions, okay, so tomorrow our classes will be back in our original time, which is 8:30, right?
Yeah.
8:30. Okay, so is that okay with you or just this time?
Yeah.
It's okay. Okay, so well, that's it for our class today. And I will see you again tomorrow, Ryan. So bye bye for now.
Teacher.
Bye bye.